Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating a call out video from five videos. So just watch and see how I will resize the videos and make them overlays, and then use my keyframe to make a call out of one of the videos. So don't forget to watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give your comment. And also you can pin down the kind of videos you want me to do in my next episode. So just sit back and watch how I do this on VN Video Editor.